Everyone, it is your girl Sanaa, So Crafty Sanaa, and I am back with my cash stuffing video. As you can see by the title of this video, you guys, I am ready to get this money in my envelopes. I am going to put on the screen my Excel, my Payday Budget Book Excel template with my cash envelope breakdown so you guys can see. I have to figure out, let me see if I can slide things over, which will give me some room to kind of put here the Excel template. So let me push this back a bit. Okay, so I am going to be stuffing $890 between my cash envelopes and my sinking funds. My cash envelopes are for my variable weekly spending, which I keep in my wallet. I am using my ZIPPY Luxe in the brown crock. This is an A6 wallet, you guys. It has lots of card slots, bill folds, zipper compartment, more bill folds. Y'all know how I do. Y'all know how I love to create a nice cash envelope wallet. So I'm using my ZIPPY Luxe wallet, you guys. All products you see are available in my shop, and all of the links to these products are in the description box below. So first things first, let's get this money out. Let's count. 100, 200, 300, 350, 400, 450, 500, 550, 570, 590, 610, 630, 650, 670, 690, 710, 730, 750, 760, 770, 780, 790, 800, 810, 820, 830, 840, 850, 860, 865, 870, 875, 880, 885, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. So we have $890, so we are on point. I messed my money up the last time, you guys. Don't ask me how. But, all right, so I'm going to put the fives. I'm just going to put everything where it belongs. And let's see. And then we are going to get the stuff in, and we're going to see any rollovers. So normally, if I have rollovers in certain categories, I will, hold on. Okay. All righty. So certain envelopes I'll roll over, or I'll put either to buffer, or I'll put into debt payments. So for me money, I do have some rollover money. So for me money, I have $12. And according to the spreadsheet here, as you can see, for me money, I'm going to be given $100. If I scroll down my cash breakdown for me money, I am going to get 4 20s and 2 10s. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2 10s. You guys, I'm testing out my template, but I put a lot into this. I really did. So I hope you all love it. It will be available around the holidays I'm going for. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, 110, 11, 112. So I'm adding $100, and I have $112 for me to budget and spend. Okay. And let's see. So dining out is going to get, and let me scroll here, dining out is going to get $50, and that is going to be 2 20s and a 10. Oh, not a 1, a 10. Sorry. So I'm just going to add that there. So that's plus 50. So that combined with my grocery bill should cover food, but whew, y'all, I'm telling you. So I have rollover money in car maintenance, so I'm going to take that out. I'm going to minus out that 10, and I am going to be adding $10 again. So I didn't spend it. It's going to roll and move forward. So I'm adding $10 to car maintenance. I don't need to check. It's $10. I already know. It's for tips at the car wash. Gas is going to get $65. Let me see. Gas, $65. So that is, okay, a 50, a 10, and a 5. Ooh, 50, a 10, and a 5 for $65. The last time, I got to make sure I go to gas stations where it's not so high. I filled up my tank. I mean, and this probably had to be the highest so far, $91.89. So I got to look for cheaper gas stations. Groceries, I am contributing $250 to groceries. So 100, 200, 250 for groceries. And this money is almost gone. I can tell you that now. So I believe, because I'm doing my cash stuffing late and I spend with my credit card, I think I have like 40 something dollars left. So if I can get in the store and get out spending $40. Household is going to be $60, and I believe that it's going to be a 50 and a 10 for household. Okay. Plus, what is it, 60? Yes, $60. My pen is coming loose. And okay, giving is going to get, oh, I can just look right here. Giving is going to get a 5 and 5 ones, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So giving is going to get $10. And I'll just add that here. And I was able to make sure I gave that money away. So sometimes I hold my giving too long because I'm in the house. Buffer, I'm not going to give this to Buffer, this $10. I am going to go ahead and put that in debt payments. So I'm done stuffing my wallet, my cash envelopes. I stuffed $545 into my payday envelopes. Okay, so now we're going to go over to my sinking funds, and I'll put that in debt payoff as I get it. So I'm not going to be doing, or it can go to a savings challenge. So let's see. Okay, so Selfie Sanaa is going to get $150. And this is me, well, you already know this is me money, so need I say more? So $150. So that gives me a total of $100, $200, $250 in my self-care envelope. And I'm not going to be contributing to anything else in this envelope, but I will say this. I do need to go ahead and spruce these envelopes up. Like, I have been slacking, but my focus has been paying down debt, and I have been doing that. I put anywhere from $2,000 to $3,000 a month on debt. So once that gets down, then I could go hard back on my envelopes. But priorities, okay? So that is it for Selfie Sanaa. So then I'm going to go over to home maintenance. Home maintenance is going to get $25, and I can just enlarge this a bit. So home maintenance, here, I'll have that. Home maintenance will get $25, and I'm pretty sure that's a 20 and a 5. And let's see. Okay, so we already have some money there, which is good. So I'm adding 25, and that's going to give me 75. 50, 70, 75 in home maintenance, which is not enough because I did budget for the month to take $4,000 out of my checking account to put for the home, to pay for the home remodeling that I'm doing in my daughter's room. So that is that. House cash, I am going to try to build this money up a little bit. So house cash is going to get, why is laundry over here? Oh, laundry should be above, but that's fine. House cash is going to get $10. So that's a 10. I'm not worried about that. Hold on. My envelopes, my binders are falling. So house cash is going to get $10. This is any purpose, all purpose, no purpose money. We can use this. And my goal is only to have $250 in this envelope at any given time. I know more. So it's basically emergency money. If I wanted to give it away, if we wanted to dine out, use it for household, it is, like I said, any purpose, all purpose, no purpose money is like another buffer. Let's just call it what it is. Okay, house clean. I do have house clean down here at $70, so I'm going to give $70 to house clean because my cleaning service was scheduled to come. She got sick, so I'm just going to go ahead and make sure I have that money readily available for when I get the call and the schedule. Household, I am going to put $15 in my household sinking fund because I do need to build this money up. I keep spending it. Like, I keep spending, but I'm telling you, this week I'm not going over. I am not. I gave myself $60 in household, I believe, and that is what it is. Okay, so household, car maintenance is not going to get anything, and then medical is not going to get anything. Savings, subscriptions, okay. So that is it for home maintenance and such. Let's see. I am going to give $20 to. It is our Islamic holiday. I'm planning for gift giving, so I am going to put $20 into my sinking fund to prepare for that. I'm not doing a good job, but hopefully by the time the holiday comes around, I will have way more money in here at least enough to give monetary gifts and things like that. So 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 135, 140, 145, 150, 155, 56, 57, 58, 59. So $159. Slowly but surely, it's getting there. So I am proud. Every dollar I save is progress. So I am not complaining. I can only do what I can. Priorities take precedence. Black Friday, y'all. I have some items I want to buy for Black Friday, but I don't have any money in my envelope. I only have $50 now. So that's not going to get me anything. I want a pasta maker. I want the pasta maker. And what else is it that I want? I want this Cuisinart ice cream maker. I want the Nama nut milk maker. Now I was going to wait till Black Friday for that, but you guys, I can't. I can't for the nut milk maker because I needed it for convenience, but the Nama M1 is like, yes. I have a Cummins Auto IQ juicer, but they don't have a plant. I guarantee they're going to come out with one now that Nama did it, but too late. Okay, so that is it for this sinking fund binder. Next, I am going to prepare for Ramadan. I am going to give $10 to Ramadan meals. So this sinking fund is specifically for eating out during the month of Ramadan. Not necessarily for me, but I guess, for the family. So I'm going to contribute $10 here. By the time that comes around, if I have like $200 to $300, that'll cover eating out for the month, or we'll budget. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85, 86, 87. So $87 there. These are priorities because we do eat out during the month of Ramadan. So I want to be prepared as much as possible for that. Okay. Let's see. Ramadan meals. Jenna is our cat. I have to stuff, my next week's cat stuff, and I'm going to put my rollover money for the month of October. So, my rollover sinking fund is husky. I have to decide what I'm going to do with that. I think I'm going to just pay that all to debt. So we'll see. Okay, so Jenna is going to get $10. So I'm going to put $10 for Jin Boo. And I need a new expense strip for her. So I still don't think she's doing well. She's, I don't know, but I bought a book called the 10 herbs for the happiest, healthiest cat. And so I'm going to get some herbs and then hopefully, hopefully we'll see. I think I did something wrong, you guys. Okay, no. So hopefully she'll feel better. But I was told there are some herbs that she will love. Okay, so that's it for this sinking fund binder. Next, it's going to go to the Rugrats. I have to put up some money for their life insurance premium. And you guys, I got this specifically for them when they get older, okay? Because the first thing is this. Life insurances are very expensive. So by me getting them while they're young, they're like $20 a month. So as they become adults, this is a policy they can hold forever. It builds cash value, but if they keep it, it's a permanent policy. It's a whole life permanent policy, so it doesn't expire. So they can, all the way up until they're 70, 80, they will have this policy and only pay $20 a month. You have young children, get a policy for them now. The younger they are, the cheaper it will be for the premium. And then they can have it all throughout their adult lives. When they get a family, they can make their children and their spouses the beneficiaries. But if you get life insurance as an adult, especially when you're up in age, it is expensive. It's expensive. So get it while your kids are young and hold it. So that's what I'm trying to do. So I am going to add $25. Now, the premium is $860. So I think it's like $3 something for one and $400 for the other, something like that. So let's add this money and I'll continue to pay it forever. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 160, 180, 200, 220, 240, 260, 280, 290, 300, 310, 315, 320, 325, 330, 335. So $335. $335. in my life insurance. Well, in the life insurance for the kids. That's why it's in their binder, because it's for them. Okay. So now I've contributed to all of my sinking funds. I do have this $10. This is a new book, Savings Challenge book that I'm coming out with. I'm not going to do the pay what you weigh because I only have $10 and I'm not sure. I don't plan on bagging any bags, and the spending roundup challenge. So the spending roundup challenge is, let's see, did I spend any money today? No, I didn't spend any money today. So if I think about money I spent yesterday, so if I look and see any money I spent yesterday, so here, let's see. Today is the 5th. Oh, no, that's a bill. I'm sorry. Okay, so did I spend any money today? Yes, I ordered a replacement. Oh, but that sucks. So how this challenge works is, let's say I spent $39.94. So that is $40. So I would round it up by $10, or round it up to 20, or round it up to 30. So if I round it up to $10, then that means I would be putting, wait, oh my gosh, did I forget the challenge? Oh, that's to the nearest tenth. But see, the nearest tenth would be 6 cents, right? Because it's $39.94. Rounding it up would be $40. So technically it would be putting $1, right? The nearest 20, if I chose that, then I would be putting $11, because the nearest tenth would be 40, and then 20 would be 50. So I would be putting $11, which I don't have $11, so I'm not going to do that challenge. And my potty mouth jar is, every time I say a word that I shouldn't say, I have to decide how much that's, and I haven't said a bad word, so I'm not going to do that. But let me go over to my 600 ways to save. So this is 100 under $5. So everything is under $5. I'm not going to do that one. This is 100 under $10. So I'm going to look for the nearest $10, and I am going to put the $10 there, and then just throw that in there. Progress, you guys. I am slowly but surely saving money. I may not be hitting my goals, but I am saving. So that is key and beneficial. You guys, thank you so much for tuning into this video. Please stay tuned for my next video. I will see you guys later. Bye.